Hello, my name is Scott Palermo.
And I am James Sanak, and we are with Harcourt's Desert Homes in beautiful Palm Springs, California.
Welcome to our newest listing located at 604 Bliss Way. This special property is located in the highly desirable Escena neighborhood, a golf resort community located just minutes away from downtown Palm Springs. This stunning Escena home was designed by award-winning architect Mr. Anthony Poon and built by the award-winning Alta Verde Group. The property views are stunning, and they are views of the San Jacinto Mountains.
This former model home has a generous entry foyer and adjoins the grand open concept floor plan with soaring ceilings. Public spaces all feature tile flooring. The living area boasts a gas fireplace and a wall of Fleetwood doors that showcase the gorgeous view. The chef's kitchen has a massive island with seating, and the cook gets to enjoy entertaining in this sleek and modern design, along with ample floor space and storage.
A large primary bedroom with a luxurious bath that includes dual vanities, dual showers, and a wall of wardrobes. Two additional bedrooms share a large Jack and Jill bath, plus a designated laundry room.
Whether you are looking for a full-time residence, a second home, or vacation rental property, this property checks all the boxes. Come see this jewel of a property today and begin your Palm Springs experience.